Adding a session to an already existing activity. What's the difference between an activity and a session? An activity is what is taking place. A practice, a game, a meeting, a party. The session are the individual dates, times, and locations this activity is taking place. There are two ways to add sessions to activities you've already created. The first way is to go to your products page. Remember, this name may have been changed in your company settings. Once on the product dashboard, click Edit next to the product you're building a schedule for. Scroll down to the Activities section. Click Add Session. The session modal will appear. You may also get to this modal by using the Schedule page from your main menu. Once you click Schedule, click Add a new session. Click Add Session. The same modal will appear. Begin filling out the activity modal. Fields you may want to enter include start date, start time, end date, end time, max attendees, and location. Click Save when you are finished.